this is happy. A few days ago, it was the second day of the 3 bok-nals. Did you have the food that help you invigorate your stamina? Today, I'm gonna make stir-fried smoked duck and seasoned chives for you. The ingredients are 300 grams of smoked duck, a handful of chives, around 100 grams, 6 cloves of garlic, half of medium size of onion, 1 spiced chili pepper, 1 red chili pepper. That is an option. The seasoning includes 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of plum syrup, 1 teaspoon of red pepper powder, 2 or 3 tablespoons of paralysis powder, 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds. First, let's wash the chives like this. Let's go over vegetables. Onion, slice it as thin as possible. Garlic, slice like this. Chives, let's cut into 4 centimeters long pieces. Spicy chili pepper, let's chop it. Add garlic, put all the vegetables in the bowl. Let's coat the vegetables with sesame oil. And then add all the spices except the paralysis powder. Finally, add paralysis powder. It can get soggy easily, so you should add it just before eating it. It's ready. Let's stir fry the smoked duck in the preheated pan. Look at all this duck oil. If you don't like it, you can remove a little with a kitchen towel or a piece of rag. And add garlic. There we go. I placed on the plate. Wow, it looks appetizing. Let me try this. So delicious. Seasoned chives. It's very freshy and flavor. Stir-fried smoked duck. It's rich in unsaturated fatty acid, savory and nutritious. Please make it on one of these hot summer days. I strongly recommend. Thank you.